Hey there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Anca, and I'm a real estate broker associate here in South Florida. Today we're going to tackle a common dilemma that homebuyers face. Should you go for a new construction home or a resale home? While the decision might seem daunting, it's an important one to make, and there are pros and cons to both options. And regardless of whether you live in Florida or elsewhere, the same advantages and disadvantages apply when considering new construction versus resale. So let's dive in and explore the factors you need to consider to make the best decision for you and your family. Let's start by discussing the advantages of new construction homes. One significant advantage of new construction home is the energy efficiency and green construction. Newly built homes meet or exceed Energy Star and WaterSense standards, which are national code standards for energy efficiency. They often come with energy certifications covering walls, roofs, windows, doors, and even appliance packages. This means that they are more energy efficient than the resale homes, resulting in lower utility bills and reduced environmental impact. In Florida, for example, where you have air conditioning running almost year-round, energy efficient especially is important. The cost of electricity can add up quickly, and a poorly insulated home can result in much higher energy bills. Additionally, new homes typically offer better air filtration, which increases indoor air quality, reducing symptoms for those who have asthma or allergies. The second advantage of new construction homes is the flexibility for space. With a new home, you can often participate in the design of the interior spaces with the builder prior to actual construction. And this is where flexibility for space really shines. This means that you can ensure that your home is optimized for your lifestyle, whether you need an extra bedroom, a larger kitchen, or a home office. Reason number 3. Many new homes come with sophisticated wiring that is needed for high-speed electronics and communication equipment, entertainment centers, and security systems. This is specifically important in today's world where having access to reliable and high-speed internet is a must. With a new construction home, you can be sure that your home is wired for modern technology and is ready for whatever the future brings. Reason number 4, minimal maintenance required is another advantage of these new construction homes. Everything in a new construction home is new, including costly components such as the furnace, water heater, air conditioning, kitchen appliances. This means that you don't have to worry about costly repairs or replacements for several years, as most of these components come with a builder warranty, offering an extra margin of protection. This warranty can last up to 10 years in some cases, giving you the peace of mind and freedom to enjoy your home without the stress of unexpected repairs or replacements. Reason number 5, modern safety features are another advantage of these new construction homes. In contrast to many existing homes, newly built homes come equipped with modern fire retardants in materials such as carpeting and insulation, which are specifically designed to minimize the risk of fire and can help contain if it occurs. This feature alone can be a huge advantage for homeowners who prioritize safety and want to feel secure in their living space. In addition to modern fire retardants, new construction homes also come with hardwired smoke and carbon monoxide detectors that are integrated into the home's electrical system. These detectors are highly reliable and eliminate the need for new homeowners to purchase and install less dependable battery-powered detectors. In many cases, these hardwired detectors are also backed up by battery power to ensure that they can continue to function in the event of an electrical outage or other disruption. Advantage number 6 is about the latest design trends in these new builds that create a modern and stylish living space. You'll often find that new homes have open concept floor plans, which create a spacious and airy feel that's perfect for hosting family and friends. And one feature I particularly love is the high ceilings, which not only give you a sense of grandeur, but also make a room much larger and more open. Builders have access to the latest materials and finishes, like ceramic tile and granite countertops, that not only look beautiful, but are also durable and easy to maintain. This means you can have a home that's not only functional, but also reflects your personal style and taste. Reason number 7. One of the most compelling advantages that I've encountered in the new construction home market recently is the modern infrastructure and amenities that come with the development of the new community. For instance, newly built homes typically feature state-of-the-art sewer system, water treatment plants, and other infrastructure that can greatly enhance residents' quality of life. These modern amenities can significantly reduce the risk of sewage backups and other issues that could be expensive and inconvenient to deal with. Reason number 8. Customized financing is the final advantage of the new construction homes that we'll discuss. One of the key advantages of the new construction home is the ability to access customized financing that is tailored to your specific financial situation. Many builders have mortgage subsidiaries or affiliates that specialize in providing financing for new construction homes, which means that they are able to offer more flexibility in terms of better rates, maybe than what a traditional lender can offer. In addition to offering competitive rates, builders are also often willing to work with buyers to help defray closing costs and other expenses associated with purchasing a new home. This can be especially beneficial for first-time home buyers or those who are working with a tight budget, as it can help you to make the purchase more affordable and accessible. Customized financing can also be an advantage for buyers who have a unique financial need or challenge, such as a low credit score or a high debt-to-income ratio. Builders may be able to offer alternative financing options that can help buyers overcome these obstacles and secure the financing you need to purchase for your new home. But all this, of course, depends on the market cycle. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of the new construction home. And one major factor to keep in mind is that they can come with a higher price tag compared to a resale home. And this is due to the higher cost of construction and land. Additionally, customization options and high-end finishes can add to the overall cost, as can the energy-efficient features that are becoming more and more popular among homeowners. Disadvantage number 2 is that the new construction home can take a long time to be built. When it comes to building a new home, time is a critical factor. One of the main disadvantages of the new construction home is that the construction time can be significantly longer than buying an existing home. The building process can take anywhere from a few months to a few years, depending on the size and the complexity of the home. This means that you will need to plan ahead and be prepared to wait longer before you can move in. You may need to make additional living arrangements, which can add up to the overall cost. For example, you may need to rent a temporary residence or live with family or friends until your home is ready. These additional living expenses can be a burden, especially if the construction process is delayed, leading to longer periods of temporary housing. Reason number 3, potential for unforeseen issues is another disadvantage of new construction homes. During the construction process, unexpected delays may occur, such as bad weather, general contractor errors, or supply chain disruptions. These delays can cause further delays in the completion of your home, which can be frustrating and stressful. Additionally, during the construction process, you may need to be on site to oversee the building's process or to make decisions about customization options, which can be time-consuming and may require you to take time off from work or other obligations. Lack of character and charm is another disadvantage of new construction homes. When it comes to finding your dream home, it's not just about the practical factors like cost and construction time. Emotions play a big role in the decision-making process, and many of us crave a sense of character and charm in our living spaces. This is where the disadvantages of new construction homes come in. While they may be sleek and modern, they often lack the warmth and character that comes with an older home. A new construction home can feel sterile and impersonal, lacking the unique features and quirks that make a home feel like a home. So what are the benefits of buying a resale property? And when it comes to purchasing a home, affordability is a top priority for many home buyers. And so one of the most significant advantages of resale homes is that they are often more budget-friendly compared to new construction homes. This is because the home has already been developed and lived in, so the cost of the home and the land can be lower than the new construction homes. This affordability allows home buyers to potentially purchase a larger home or a home in a more desirable neighborhood that might have been out of their budget if they were looking at a new construction home. This means that you can enjoy the benefits of living in a specific area, such as being closer to work or in a sought-after school district, without sacrificing your budget. But affordability isn't the only advantage of buying a resale home. Another great benefit is the potential for customization. While older homes may have some room for layouts, ceiling heights, and lighting that might not meet your preferences or needs, renovating the existing home to customize the living space can create a unique and personalized living space that fits your lifestyle. Some older homes often have unique features and architectural details that are hard to find in a newer home. They may have intricate moldings, original hardwood floors, or stainless steel glass windows that add to the home's charm and character. And if the resale home has already undergone renovations or upgrades, these could potentially free up some funds that can be allocated towards other expenses such as an extra home improvement or even towards your new destination. Choosing a more affordable option can allow you to achieve your financial goals and create the lifestyle you desire without being burdened by a higher mortgage payment. While resale homes can offer several advantages, it's important to consider the potential downsides as well. And one of the most significant disadvantages of resale homes is the potential for hidden repair costs. Since these homes are older and have been lived in, they may be underlying issues that are not immediately apparent when viewing the property. For example, outdated plumbing or electrical system might need to be replaced, or the roof and the foundation might require costly repairs. These hidden repair costs can add up quickly and become a significant burden for homeowners. In Florida, where the summers can be scorching hot, energy efficient is an important consideration when purchasing a home. Resale homes may have limited energy efficiency, which could translate to higher electrical bills. Although you can make upgrades to increase energy efficiency, such as adding insulation, replacing windows, or installing a new thermostat, these retrofits can be expensive and time-consuming. Retrofitting an existing home may not achieve the same level of energy efficiency as a newly constructed home with modern materials and the latest building practices. So when putting together a list of pros and cons, it's important to consider the potential long-term costs of higher energy bills when deciding between a new construction and a resale. Another disadvantage is that resale homes may not have the modern safety features found in a new construction home, such as hard wires and carbon monoxide detectors. This could potentially make them less safe for homeowners and their families. These safety features may be limited or non-existent, meaning that any necessary repairs or replacements could result in costly bills for the homeowner. As we wrap up our discussion on the advantages and disadvantages of new construction homes versus resale homes, it's clear that each option has its own unique set of pros and cons. Resale homes offer affordability and character, while new construction homes offer modern amenities and customization options. One thing to keep in mind is that the cost of a new construction versus a resale home can vary depending on the area in which you live. While new construction may have a higher cost up front, builders are always striving to keep prices competitive. Plus, the added benefits of energy efficiency and customization options may offset the higher cost. Additionally, resale homes may have a better location since they were built closer to the city center. This can offer a more convenient and desirable location for those who value proximity to amenities and attractions. Ultimately, the decision of which type of home to purchase will depend on your individual needs and preferences, as well as your long-term goals. It's important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of each option and make an informed decision that fits within your budget and lifestyle. Thank you for tuning in to my discussion on this important topic. If you have any questions or would like to explore your options further, don't hesitate to reach out to 561-568-9318. My name is Anca. I'm a local real estate agent, broker associate here in South Florida, and I would love to take you around and show you some resale properties or maybe this beautiful new construction that I have in mind for you.